I lost my passport in Montreal. I had driven up from the States to the city and parked in front of my Airbnb, got out, greeted my hosts, and went back to the car to move it to a better spot. Little did I know, my passport fell out from the seat and landed somewhere in the snowy street. I realized it an hour later when I went to a restaurant and wanted to buy a glass of wine. I looked through my bag to find my passport in case they asked for it, and it was nowhere to be found. After dinner I tried looking for it in the snow back at the Airbnb, in my car, in my suitcases, in my purse again, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I decided to stay positive and just enjoy my weekend. Nothing comes up for the next few days, and my departure on Monday is slowly approaching. The embassy wasn't open until Monday, but I figured I'd just leave later in the afternoon. Then on Sunday night I decided to check my Facebook. I try to keep off of the site during my travels as a personal preference, and this time was no exception, but something that night gave me the urge to log on. There, in a bright red dot of glorious luck, I had a notification for a new message. It was from a native Montrealer who just happened to be walking down the street and noticed a passport. Must have happened less than an hour after I lost it. He turned it into a hotel across the street thinking I was staying there. Thanked the guy profusely, asked if he wanted anything in exchange for being a good Samaritan, and he said that making my day was all he needed in return. When I went to pick up the passport, the concierge gave me a faux rough time about getting it back, clearly joking and smiling. He said, "You don't look exactly like her. Are you sure? Spell her name again? Or something like it." Haha. All in all, I had a great time in the city even with the mounting anxiety of not having an international identity.